Okay, so what's good, y'all? It's been a long time coming. I've ordered this truck a few months ago, and man, I'm waiting. Feels like forever, but the truck is finally here. Getting ready to go pick it up right now. It's a long drive, so I'm on the road. Yeah, and I'm ready. I am so ready. I cannot freaking wait. You guys are in for a little treat. Not many people know close to me. Not a lot of people know about a truck. So we'll see what happens.
One more beats, baby.
All right, what up, y'all? Man, so I went and picked up the truck. This is like a week later. I've been super busy. Had a lot to do. Truck got completely crazy dirty on the drive back from Idaho. So I stopped by my boy's shop, Perfect Shine Auto Salon. There's his whip right there. And had to clean her up. You know what I'm saying? He was awesome enough to let me use his stuff at his detail shop to get her clean. A couple things to note. These are not the stock tires. I already did a couple mods. Got the tires put on. Got the windows tinted. Just, you know, for starters. A couple things I just couldn't wait to do. But here she is. I was gonna film the delivery and doing everything at the dealership, and you know, I just got lost in time, lost in the sauce, out of excitement. And I mean, I thought about it, but I was like, man, let me just get this over with. It was late. I was tired from driving hours, and I just had a lot going on and a lot to do. So here she is, though, looking good, looking bright. I got that bright white SRAM 1500 Limited. For y'all that don't know what kind of truck this is, I mean, she's a beauty. She is a beauty. It's a little dirty, but she's a beauty. For you guys are wondering what I did on the windows, I did 5% all the way around on top of the factory tint in the rear. I did a strip, a 5% strip across the top. I don't know if you can see that. You might be able to better to see in the front. It's going to be hard to see in there because I did 50% on the windshield. So the windshield is also ceramic tint. You can see the strip better right there. But yeah, so there she is. I got a ton of mods that I'm gonna do to this truck. A lot of, you know, small things. Most of it cosmetic, most of it to help with the driver experience. So nothing crazy, because the truck is pretty legit as it is. So there's that. But yeah, so I just want to give you guys an update. I completely you know, screwed up the video by not you know what I mean, filming the delivery and all that, and the whole process at the dealership. But I like it. It looks good. I will definitely go over things as I do them from here on out. I'll make sure that I film everything. Here at Perfect Shine, they are gonna do my ceramic coat. I'm getting the whole thing, the whole front of it door jamb or the handles and all that stuff, ceramic coated. So I'll film that whole process. I wanted to film the tent and stuff and all that other jazz, but time got away from me. Time got away from me. And for those of you wondering, these are 35s. These are 35-inch tires on 22-inch wheels. These are the stock wheels that came on the truck. That I'm gonna have to get taken care of. I'm taking that right back to the spot to put my tires on. This is a brand new truck, and yeah, that wasn't there when I bought it. So we all know what happened there. So yeah, there it is. Got some things I gotta do today. A lot of things I gotta fill. So yeah, there's that, guys. I'll keep you guys updated on everything else that I do with the Ram. A lot more to come. Stay tuned. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and like the video if you want to see some more, because I got a lot that I'm doing to this thing, and I think you guys are going to want to see it. It's going to give you guys a lot of great ideas on what to do with y'all trucks. So anyways, appreciate y'all. Peace.